inclined plane. And I get some wheels. And I'm just going to roll the wheels down the inclined plane. All right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to roll the wheels from a nice, smooth sidewalk onto a rough piece of material. It's almost like wheels rolling along a sidewalk into the grass, or light coming down and interacting with the material and slowing down. If I roll them at an angle, did you see it bend? It came down like this and then bent. Let me put that on the board. My wheels are coming down in this direction. And they're coming from the smooth surface to the rough surface. When the wheels get to the rough surface, what happens to the speed of the wheels? Slow down. You know why they slow down? Because there's an interaction with the wheel and the material. Let's suppose it's like the little pieces of cloth on the towel, or maybe it's like blades of grass on a lawn, okay? There'd be some interaction, so this part would slow down. But what happens to this other part over here? It continues going quickly. So what happens? It sort of kilters. And so what happens is it goes like this. When both wheels get in there, they're going the same speed, and they continue at a straight line. So there's no mystery as to why the wheels will kind of bend over, is there? I mean, if you move along like that and something's on the way, won't your arm go like this? I mean, part of it slows. Well, guess what behaves the same way? Light waves. When waves of light come from above, let's say hit water. Maybe the waves of light are coming from the sun. Something like that. And we get a ray coming down like that. Incidentally, it turns out a light ray and the wave fronts that represents, these are like the crests of waves. Think of water waves, yeah? Right angle in here, gang. Always a right angle. See, even the axis of a wheel and the direction in which it's traveling, right angle. See? So what happens over here? These waves of light come down. And when they hit the water, what happens to the speed of the waves? Oh, you don't know that? Well, check your neighbor. How many? Oh, they somehow go faster. What's the answer, gang? They slow down, okay? The waves slow down, so what happens? They bend. And they sort of bend like this. And they get closer together. So the wavelength gets a little less in here. But the frequency of the wave stays the same.